Welcome back to Anil Coding channel. Today we'll continue our maths tutorial. Today I'll show you functions within the math module. I'll show you the directory and all the files that are in the directory. I'll show you how they can work together to manipulate the numbers and get the result you need. And I'll write a simple code just to show you how to use what we have learned in actual real life scenario. So we'll do the area of a circle. So hope you enjoy. We'll start by opening PyCharm. And the usual routine, just new Python file. Let's call this one today maths 2. And let's go. First thing we're going to do, we're going to import the module. So we'll go import math. But the first thing we'll do is get the directory. And by doing this, this will show you all the things you can do in math, all the functions. Here you go, you have the package, you can go copy sign, cos, cosh, degree, the floor. There's a whole range of different functions that can be used. And I'll just go through a few common ones just to get you an idea. But in future, don't be afraid to go in this, see what you need, whatever maths exercise you need to do, go through the directory. Okay, do a print statement and go. You have to put math to start. Let them know we want it from that, and we'll go with power. Power is the power of. So with this one, you need 2 parameters. So we'll go 4 and 2. And that's basically saying 4 to the power of 2. And if you run that, you'll see you get 16. So you know it's 4 times 4. Okay, and the next one we'll try. Let's go for square root. And that's represented by SQRT. So the square root, and we'll just put the number 25. And the square root of 25 is 5. So 5 times 5, 25. So that's how that works there. Then the next one we'll do, we'll go floor. And as you know, floor division. This take a fraction. Not for a decimal. This take floor division take take a decimal, and then it will bring it to the lowest value of the decimal. So 2.763, you'll get 2. So go to the lowest point. And then we'll go seal. And this does the opposite. So this will go to the top end of the decimal. So if you go 2.364 and run that, you'll get 3. So that one will go up. And with these functions, you can also add 2 functions together. And in this case, we'll just find the seal of a square root, and let's do one with a decimal. That's of 6. And as you can see, that will round it to the highest value, which is 3. And to show you, if we did the square root of 6, the answer would have been 2.4496, and the seal of it is 3. So that works perfect. And if we do the floor, the opposite, and that will bring it right down to 2, as you see there. We can also use the round function on this one if you want to do, and then you just put the number of decimal places, and we'll do this one with 2. And if we run that now, it will round it off to 2 decimal places. So this function is interusable. You can use them in with each other. Okay, the next function we'll look at is math. You type math to let them know we're going to use that function, and we'll go pi, as in, you know, when you're doing, and there you go. Pi is 3.1415, and you know pi goes on forever. Okay, the next one we'll do a print maths and degree. This is to convert radian to degree in maths. So we'll go three and just run that. And there you go. The next thing we'll try is the GCD, which is the greatest common divisor. And we'll go 12 and let's say 18. And as you know, that should be 6. So let's run that. And there you go. And we can also do factorial. And we'll go factorial 5. And as you know, factorial is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is 120. So let's run that. And there you go. So perfect. So as you see, the maths module simplify a lot of mathematical problems, and is very useful when doing math on Python. This is just a quick question just to show you how this can work. We'll do the area of a circle, and I'll just put the formula for it, which is pi r squared, which gives the area of a circle. And then we'll get the radius. Let the user input the radius. Ask for an input, so we'll go make a variable called radius and make a float, and input just asks the user here, enter the radius, and then we'll go area, make another variable called area, and we'll just put the formula there. So math pi, and then the input from the user, so we'll go times and radius. So as you can see, radius, so the user will put that input in, and then we let it go there. And because it's the power of 2, so it's radius square, so we'll go power as we used before, radius and 2. And don't forget, then we'll just do a print statement just to get the output that we require. And there you go. We have the area, and then we have A, which gives the seal. We have B, the floor, and C, the decimal place. So we'll just make variables to put the different answers. Okay, so there are the 4 statements ready to go. So I've made variables to do the maths. So do the floor, the rounding, and the seal. And as you can see, if we run that, it asks to put the radius, and we'll put a radius of 8. And the output, as you can see, that would be the area. Then we have the seal, which will go to 202. You have the floor to the lowest point of the decimal place, which is 201. And round to 2 decimal place, we have 201.06. Please like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you for watching Untitled Coding channel, and I'll see you next time.